Yo, AlgeBros. Professor AlgeBro coming at you now. This has been an inequalities lesson. We did one step, two step. Now we're going to do where we have a negative number in front of the variable. So first things first, we have our problem here. So it's a two-step inequality. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. That gives me negative 2x greater than or equal to 12. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2. Now here comes what I call a special case. When we are either multiplying or dividing our variable, we must switch the inequality. So 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. So, and in previous lessons, we have our point. Is it open or closed? Because the equal sign is there, it is closed. And do we go left or right? The arrow points this way. And that's only because the variable is on the right, is on the left side, not the right side of the inequality. Now, that's the first one, okay? So here's one for you to do. Okay, so give you a second. Go ahead and pause your video, and when you come back, we'll see if you got the answer. Okay, we're back. So I've got my number line here. Don't know what my numbers are yet, but let's get this going. First thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. Okay, fair enough. That's negative 2x less than negative 2 minus 10 is negative 12. Okay, with me so far? Next thing I'm going to do is I need to remember when I divide by negative 2, I need to switch the inequality from less than to greater than, and negative 12 divided by negative 2 is positive 6. So here we go. Now, my answer is 6. That is an open circle, and it's pointing that way. Now, I want to show you one more before we go, all right? Moving along. So, first things first, we're going to talk about this problem, okay? This one's going to get kind of interesting, okay? Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by negative 3. Now watch what happens, okay? This is actually a negative in front of here, so we're going to do negative 3 here and negative 3 here. Now remember what I told you. Anytime we mess with a variable and we multiply, okay, this may go away, but x plus 5, instead of it being greater than or equal to, becomes less than or equal to that number, okay? Last but not least, you ready? We subtract 5 from both sides, and x is less than or equal to 1. Now, graphing that, is it open or closed? Because the equal sign is there, it's closed. And does it go left or right? It points to the left. No matter where you go, math is there later. AlgeBros, if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel later.